How to replace video in Power Director. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. So now we in this home section. Basically, this is the place where you can find different tools and even create a new project. Here on the left top, tap on new project. Now select the video that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. So basically we in this editing interface. Here you can make different edits and cuts to your video. Now select the clip that you want to edit. So here I'm tapping on one. Here on the bottom there are different tools that are available. Simply swipe right until you find tools. Tap on tools and here on the first option tap on replace. So basically you can select another video that you want to replace. So here I'm tapping on one and tap on replace anyway. So it has been done. Now another video has been brought up. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.